Alright, hey guys, it's been a while, but we're gonna do something new today. We're gonna take my 3P315s out of their boxes, and we're gonna free air them and plug them into the wall and just have some fun because I'm really bored.
Donkey's breath.
What's around the next corner?
So we're wired up here at 12 ohms. By the way, these are the, what does this read? P3D215, so it's dual 2 ohm coils on all of these. So we're at 12 ohms, and just to double check so we're not crazy, turn my switch on here. 10.2, okay. I think it's time to plug her in and, you know, just give this a whirl. Stick her right in there. All right, you guys ready? I'm not. Man, that's nowhere near scary enough. All right, we're back. We're reconfigured at 8 ohms here. Didn't have to change much. Just took this one driver out right here. Ella, you're done. Kyle and Sarah, you're up. This can be a little bit more violent here. That was a little bit more. Alright, so I'm actually really scared because I like these woofers and I do not want to actually damage them. I just want to have a little bit of fun here because I'm bored as shit. So what I'm doing here is I'm actually just taking one coil off of this driver and only using this one. So we should be at 6 ohms instead of just using one sub itself, which we could, you know, series up to 4 ohms. So we're series at 6. This has both coils hooked up. This only has one coil. Let's give her a go. It still doesn't seem that scary. I'm going to take the last one out. Alright, we're back. It's the real deal. We're down to 4 ohms, just one sub. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, it's definitely starting to feel a little bit violent. What is this? Let's see what she peaks at. Min, max, max. 16.4 amps and one woofer. Alright. Well, thanks for watching, guys. There's not much more to do here. If you guys have any ideas about what you want me to do, anything else, any ideas car audio related, anything related, man, I am so bored. Just hit me up in the comments. Let's do it. Have a good day. Alright, if you made it this far, you're one of the diehards. Anyways, I just passed my 1,000 subs not too long ago, and I luckily just got my monetization back. So I mean, I feel a little bit funner doing YouTube videos. It's just, I don't know, it feels like there's a little bit of that monetary gain for me here. But anyways, yeah, I just got this new Hero 6 Black gimbal and the drone. Here, the drone's in here. First day I flew it, I crashed it and broke 3 props. So there's no more fun playing with that. So anyways, I should be doing a bunch more stuff here coming up, and I'm looking forward to it, and I hope you guys are too. Have a good one.